Are you tired of cleaning products that overpromise but underdeliver? Or maybe you've spent a fortune on beauty products only to be left disappointed? What if I told you that the answer to many of your household and personal care struggles is sitting right in your kitchen cabinet? Yes, it's baking soda. But wait, this isn't just for baking or deodorizing your fridge. Today, we're diving into 8 surprising baking soda hacks that women swear by. And trust me, you're not using this powerhouse ingredient the way you should. Most people think baking soda is just for simple tasks like freshening up shoes or cleaning your oven. But what if I told you there's a whole range of incredible uses you're missing out on? Stick around until the end, because hack number 8 will completely change how you use baking soda in your daily routine. Let's get into it. Hack 1. The Natural Face Exfoliator. Exfoliating your skin is essential, but most scrubs are either too harsh or too expensive. Did you know that your favorite beauty products might be causing more harm than good? Many believe that high-end exfoliators are the only way to get smooth, glowing skin. But guess what? That's far from the truth. Baking soda is a gentle, all-natural exfoliator that women swear by. Just mix it with water and massage it onto your skin in circular motions. It'll leave your face smooth, radiant, and free from harmful chemicals. But be careful. There's a way to make it even more effective without over-drying your skin. I'll reveal that at the end of the video. Hack 2. Teeth Whitener. Are whitening strips leaving your teeth feeling sensitive or hurting your wallet? We've been led to believe that professional teeth whitening is the only way to get pearly whites. But baking soda is the natural trick that works wonders. Simply create a paste with baking soda and water, brush it onto your teeth, and watch your smile brighten over time without breaking the bank. But there's one important step you should never skip to avoid damaging your enamel. And I'll cover that in just a bit. Hack 3. Deodorant alternative. Are you frustrated with deodorants that leave stains on your clothes or contain questionable chemicals? We've been conditioned to rely on store-bought deodorants, but the truth is, many of them do more harm than good with their harsh ingredients. Baking soda neutralizes odor naturally, just a small amount under your arms, and it'll keep you fresh all day long. But there's one quick trick to make sure it doesn't irritate your skin, and I'll tell you how to fix that shortly. Hack 4. Shoe deodorizer. Tired of your favorite shoes smelling funky no matter what you do? Most people resort to throwing away smelly shoes or using expensive sprays. But there's a much simpler fix. Sprinkle baking soda inside your shoes overnight, and by morning, they'll smell fresh and clean again. But what if you want to boost this hack even further? There's a secret ingredient you can add that will leave your shoes smelling even better. Stay tuned. Hack 5. Freshen up your mattress. When's the last time you cleaned your mattress? If the thought makes you cringe, you're not alone. Many people think you need expensive cleaners to freshen up your mattress. But the truth is, you can do it naturally. Sprinkle baking soda over your mattress. Let it sit for a few hours, then vacuum it up. It'll absorb odors and leave your bed smelling fresh. Want to add an extra layer of comfort to this hack? I've got a tip at the end of the video that will take this to the next level. Hack 6. Soothing foot soak. After a long day, do your feet feel sore and tired, but spa treatments seem out of reach? Many believe that expensive foot care is the only way to relax and soothe your feet, but that's not true. Add baking soda to warm water for a simple, effective foot soak that soothes tired feet and softens your skin. Want to make it even more luxurious without spending a dime? I'll show you how soon. Are these hacks blowing your mind yet? If you're loving these baking soda tips so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and I've got even more amazing tricks coming up, so stay tuned. Hack 7. Cleaning hairbrushes. Ever notice your hairbrush gets gunky, no matter how often you clean it? Most people assume soap and water will do the trick, but baking soda is the secret ingredient for a deep clean. Soak your hairbrush in a mix of baking soda and warm water to dissolve oils and product buildup. There's an extra hack to keep your brush cleaner for longer. Don't miss it at the end. If these baking soda hacks are making your life easier, imagine how much they could help your friends too. Don't forget to share this video with someone who could use these tricks. Let's spread the love and the savings. Hack 8. Instant bathroom cleaner. Frustrated with bathroom cleaners that are full of chemicals but barely work? We've been trained to believe harsh chemicals are necessary to clean grime, but baking soda is your natural solution. Combine baking soda and vinegar for a powerful, fizzy cleaner that removes stains and leaves your bathroom sparkling. I'll reveal a surprising bonus ingredient you can add to this mix for an even deeper clean at the end. You've just discovered 8 incredible baking soda hacks that every woman swears by. But we didn't stop there. Now, it's time to dive into the little-known secrets that make each of these hacks even more powerful. From simple tweaks to surprising combinations, these key takeaways will take your results to the next level. So, if you've been wondering how to avoid common pitfalls and maximize the effectiveness of each trick, keep watching. Let's unlock the full potential of baking soda and transform your routine in ways you never imagined. Hack 1. The natural face exfoliator. To make baking soda even more effective as a facial exfoliator without over-drying your skin, mix it with honey or a drop of coconut oil. These ingredients add moisture while enhancing the exfoliating power, keeping your skin hydrated and smooth. Hack 2. Teeth whitener. To avoid damaging your enamel when using baking soda as a teeth whitener, only use it once or twice a week and rinse thoroughly with water afterward. You can also combine it with your regular toothpaste to reduce abrasiveness while still reaping the whitening benefits. Hack 3. Deodorant alternative. To prevent skin irritation when using baking soda as a deodorant, mix it with a bit of cornstarch or arrowroot powder. This will soften the texture and reduce potential irritation while still absorbing moisture and neutralizing odors. Hack 4. Shoe deodorizer. For an extra boost to the shoe deodorizer hack, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, like lavender or tea tree, to the baking soda. This not only neutralizes odors but leaves your shoes with a pleasant scent. If you're finding these tips helpful and want to discover more life-changing hacks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on any of our future videos. Your next favorite tip could be just around the corner. Hack 5. Freshen up your mattress. For an added touch to the mattress freshening hack, mix the baking soda with a few drops of essential oils, like lavender or eucalyptus. This enhances the deodorizing effect and leaves your bed smelling refreshing and relaxing. Hack 6. Soothing foot soak. To make your foot soak even more luxurious, add Epsom salts or a few drops of essential oil like peppermint or lavender. This combination soothes aching muscles, softens skin, and provides an enhanced spa-like experience at home. Hack 7. Cleaning hairbrushes. To keep your hairbrush cleaner for longer, remove hair after every use and soak it in a baking soda solution every 2 to 3 weeks. Additionally, you can spray it with a little dry shampoo or lightly dust with cornstarch between washes to reduce buildup. Hack 8. Instant bathroom cleaner. For a deeper clean when using baking soda and vinegar to clean your bathroom, add a few drops of lemon juice or a squirt of dish soap to the mix. The lemon juice adds a fresh scent and extra acidity, while the dish soap helps break down grease and grime more effectively. And there you have it. 8 incredible baking soda hacks that every woman needs in her life. From natural beauty tips to freshening up your home, baking soda is the multitasking miracle you didn't know you needed. Try out these hacks and let me know which one is your favorite. If you've tried any of these tricks or have more baking soda secrets, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Before you go, there's one more video you don't want to miss. It's all about spotting subtle signs that most women overlook, but knowing them could be life-saving. Curious about how simple changes could lead to major transformations in your health? Watch the video now and take control of your well-being today.